Corrugated boxes are familiar to everyone. Items ordered online that are packed in boxes. They are called corrugated or cardboard box, paper box, carton box. Moreover, these boxes can be recycled. Corrugated boxes are mainly used for material packaging in industries. These include mechanical equipment, machines, medicines, biscuits, soap, electronic items, shoes, food, water bottles, etc. An item need to be packed in the appropriate box to be safely transported to another location. Corrugated boxes are used in almost 80% of the industrial packaging. The demand for corrugated boxes is huge as they are light in weight, easy to store and easily disposable. So today, MIDI means Maharashtra Industries Development Institute has brought for you a documentary on corrugated box manufacturing business. Raw material, craft paper, storyboard, glue, stitching wire, plant and machinery, paste paper, corrugation machine, board cutters, sheet pasting machine, rotary cutting machine, eccentric slotted machine, stitching machine, printing machine. Process. Corrugated boxes are available in different sizes and shape, which consist mainly of square and important action boxes. Corrugated boxes are made in 3-ply, 5-ply, 7-ply, and in this process, first the craft paper roll is loaded into the machine. It is then passed through the beaded fluted rolls and acquires a corrugated appearance. In this way, two craft paper rolls are glued together to form a layer. Such sheets are generally called 2-ply sheets. These rolls are further cut into cutting machine sheets. Glue is applied on one side of the sheet by pasting machine and third is applied on it. Once the corrugated paper is ready, its boards are made into boxes for which rotary machine are used. These cut sheets are sent to the slotting machine to make slots of the certain size and are connected by stitching machine or by staple pin. These finished corrugated boxes are sent to the printing machine for printing and are sent for sale in the market. So in this way today we took information about corrugated box manufacturing business. For machinery and finances to be used in a business, you can contact us or you can visit both our websites given on the screen. And for more such new business ideas, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel MIDI Udyog Vishwa and click on the notification bell. If you like this video, then don't forget to comment and share our videos.